Hi everyone. This video explains how to change the desktop background in Windows 11. Right-click an empty area of the desktop and select Personalize. Select Background, and then choose Picture, Solid Color, or Slideshow. Select Picture, select one of them from the list. Or choose Browse Photos to select a different picture. The steps described above are easy enough to understand, but there's a much quicker way to change the desktop background if you want it to be of an image. Open your browser, and go to the following page. Choose and download the picture you want to use. Right-click the file, and choose Set as Desktop Background.